Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video on the View into Huck's World, and today we got Broda in the building, definitely bringing the noise with the baddest watch face on the market today. Now, this guy always gets down, he's pushing out watch faces like candy, but hey, this one I like. Now, I love the 3D effect to this watch face, definitely unique, definitely it stands out. And the name of the watch face is actually called Hitoshi Construct. Now, in the AOD mode, you are going to get the same look for the Gears 3 so far as the design is concerned. And also for the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different, but you will be able to see your analog time at a glance with no problem. But let's have a look with this watch face on. Now, if you look up at the top, it's got the name of the watch face. It's going to give you your step info. Of course, it's Sunday. I haven't been anywhere. And if you look to the left, you're going to get your heart rate information. You're going to get your hour and AM stamp. Now, if you look across from there to the right, you are going to get your seconds and your minutes. But right up under the hour, you're going to get the day of the week. Right across from that to the left, you're going to get your day. But if you go up to the top right there, that's going to give you how many floors you have climbed for the day. I've climbed none, right? Now down at the bottom, very unique, that's going to be your moon phase. And here, battery life up top is going to be your step goal completed. But once it's in full motion and you're working and you're exercising through the day, that's when it's really going to come to life. Now, I like this, right? Now you're going to get like 5 places to set your favorites, right? So we're going to single tap right here. We're going to be able to set a favorite, and you got 4 other places, and I'm telling you, it's going to make the watch face so convenient to have on your wrist to be able to tap into whatever application you want to get into at any given time. And up at the top, if you need to get your heart rate, you can single tap. Same thing here, single tap, and here, come on. Watch face want to be temperamental now. And right here, you can also go into your floors climbed information. So I thought this was pretty cool. And here, if I want to, I could double tap. Let's straighten this up a little bit. And I could change the color theme of the watch face, which is awesome. Now we're going to cycle through as much as we can so we don't make this a long drawn out video, but just to let you see what you're going to be in for when you download this awesome watch face. As you can see, the theme changes. It seems like you get 3 to 4 watch faces and one with this one. And Broda really did his thing. Give this guy 4 thumbs up in the door for this unique design. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. And if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And again, I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.